Okay, I'm gonna make my roast. I got 2 little roasts there, like 2.5 pounds each. And I'm gonna make pork gravy. I'm cutting my potatoes. And I got baby carrots that I put in here. So I'm gonna mix it with some olive oil inside there. And then put them inside the pans. I'm gonna roast them. And then the roasts are gonna go in there. And then I have inside this oven, I have 3 racks. So I can put 1 on each rack. Woohoo! I mix up the vegetables in the blue pot with some olive oil and then put them into the pans. And it does take 3 pans with all these vegetables to get them all to fit flat so they'll cook evenly. And on the roast I put black pepper, some basil, garlic salt, and some garlic powder. Or actually not garlic salt, kosher salt and garlic powder. I'm making lunches for us for the week. Okay, so I got them all in the oven, and they're all going to have different times and temperatures, so I'll just have to keep an eye on it. And I'll roast the roast until they're 185. And the vegetables are going to cook until they're nice and crispy.
Are you buying into? That's a tough question right there.
I'll start. I like all these teams, but I'm going to say the Saints because they've got Drew Brees. And when things fall apart, you need that great quarterback and these other 2 young quarterbacks.
Well, you're going to want to wake up early in the morning before sunrise, and so anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour before the sun comes up, and the sun comes up at 6:46.
Getting there.
The time you want to get up.
And I got the gravy starting.
Around 6 o'clock or so is a good time. And the big question is whether the weather is going to comply. Is it going to help us out?
It's going to be really good.
We're going to get up so early, and this is actually FutureCast showing.
I assembled some jalapeno poppers today. And Fred's cooking them because I'm doing all the stuff in the kitchen with the roast and potatoes and gravy and all that stuff. So they're jalapeno poppers with cream cheese and cheese mixture and jalapeno and bacon and wrapped around it. Okay, these potatoes are done. And the gravy's done. I'm just waiting for the roast and the other stuff. Carrots and potatoes are just about done. This has like maybe 10 more minutes. Okay, and here it is. Just took them out of the oven. I gotta put the foil over them real quick and steep them. Carrots, potatoes, gravy. Potatoes and the jalapeno poppers. Oh boy.
You need to read your rights again.
You have the right to remain silent.
I know that.
You have the right to an attorney.
I don't need one. Yes, you do.